How to delete apps on iPhone. Step-by-step guide. Deleting apps can free up valuable memory on your iPhone. Here's how to delete apps on iPhone quickly and easily. Hey there, Apple enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a simple yet essential topic of deleting apps from your iPhone. Let's get started. Why delete apps on iPhone? With time, our iPhones can become slower due to excessive app usage and storage. That's why it's vital to delete apps when they're no longer needed, to improve your device's performance. Plus, deleting apps frees up storage space for new apps you may want to install. How to delete apps on iPhone. Deleting apps on iPhones is easy. Follow these simple steps. First, tap and hold on the app you want to delete. The app icon will start to shake, and a delete button will appear. Click on it, and a confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Delete once again to confirm, and that's it. The app is now gone from your home screen. How to delete multiple apps on iPhone at once. What if you need to delete multiple apps or all apps from your iPhone? You can also delete multiple apps at once. Go to the home screen and press and hold an app icon. All the apps will start shaking. Now, press the X in the corner of the apps you want to delete. Once you're done selecting, click Delete in the prompt that appears and confirm. How to recover deleted apps on iPhone narration. Deleted apps can be retrieved from the App Store by accessing the Purchased section. Open the App Store and tap on your profile picture. Select Purchased, My Purchases, and you'll see all the apps that you've ever downloaded or purchased. You can download them individually by clicking on the cloud icon next to the app. That's it for our step-by-step guide on how to delete apps on iPhone. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Thank you for watching.